tonight. That's it.
Cloudy and cool, but most places at least should stay essentially dry. You can see all that cloud across the northern half of the UK. A few holes in that cloud, but maybe not so further south. Some extensive cloud here, and that is beginning to produce some rain. The rain is gathering along the south coast, and initially light and patchy, but it will turn heavier later. You don't have to go too far inland to find some dry weather. Maybe a few holes in the cloud for the southeast, a few holes too across northern parts of England. One of the more favoured spots for some sunshine this afternoon is the southwest of Scotland, while more northern areas could well see a few spots of rain. Northern Ireland too should be dry and bright. A similar story for the northwest of Wales, but further south the cloud thickens all the while, and along the south coast again we bump into that rain which is gathering. Now that rain, I think, will be quite heavy in places, particularly, say, across the Isle of Wight. So you can see the bright colours here, and that heavy rain will spread its way right the way across England and Wales in the next few days. Some torrential downpours certainly possible, and you can see how those bright colours, the really heavy rain, spreads in across the south of England overnight tonight, eventually pushing its way into South Wales through the Midlands. But to the north of that, it should be dry. So a dry start today for much of Scotland, just the odd spot of rain in places. Should be dry, if quite cloudy, across much of northern England, but as we head down into the Midlands, East Anglia and the southeast of England, well, just look at those bright colours. The potential is there for some really heavy rain through the morning. It looks like a really nasty rush hour right the way across those southern counties of England and down towards the southwest. Some very heavy rain through the morning. It'll be really wet too in Cardiff, but the northwest of Wales should get off to a dry start to the day. Should be dry too in Northern Ireland, and dry, if a little bit, on the cloudy side. Now, as the morning wears on into the afternoon, we're just watching that rain, really. It's going to push its way a little bit further northwards into the North Midlands. Much of Wales will turn wet, and all the way across towards Lincolnshire and Norfolk too. It might turn a bit brighter behind that rain, but it won't take too long for some heavy showers to get going, and temperatures will struggle. 18 or 19 degrees at best with the rain, but 19 degrees for Belfast and Glasgow, not too bad with fairly light winds, and it will be dry. Thursday, another wet day for England and Wales. Again, some heavy rain in places. The rain, once again, followed by some heavy showers, but turning a little bit warmer in that southeastern corner. Scotland and Northern Ireland stay dry through Thursday and Friday, but there's more wet weather on the way for most of England and Wales with some heavy showers. That's it. Anna.